Have you ever seen a creature so transparent you could watch its heart beating and organs moving in real time? Meet the glass frog, an astonishing amphibian with a belly so clear its inner workings are on full display. Native to the rainforests of Central and South America, its magical appearance blends perfectly with the misty, dappled jungle light. But this surreal beauty is more than just looks. Unlike most amphibians, the male glass frog watches over his eggs, protecting them from predators and keeping them moist with his own body, night after night. A living window into both biology and devotion, the glass frog is part science, part wonder. It's a fragile, glowing testament to the incredible stories nature still holds.